We are team number 8 and we will be doing an economic analysis of a small house project in Toronto. And now for a little introduction and background. Our project is based on a family house located in Toronto, Ontario. It is a 60-year-old 2-story house with a basement. Each story is approximately 1,000 square feet, while the basement is 800 square feet for a total of 2,800 square feet. The tax, regulation costs, and fees will all be applied according to Ontarian law. And although the decision has already been made to renovate and rent the house, we will explore all alternatives.
Motivation is one of the key elements of a group project. This project will give us a chance to understand what goes on with investment projects behind the scenes. It allows us to see all aspects of a project rather than just the bottom line, the money. For the first time, we will have the opportunity to decide about our investment based on rational calculations and methodologies that we have been learning.
In this study, we'll find the most profitable option by evaluating all alternatives, which consist of buying, renting, renovating, deconstructing, and constructing options. The owner's perspective will be taken for this project.
As a team, we came up with a total of 20 alternatives. These alternatives were assessed individually by each member and voted on. We then all agreed to select the alternatives that allowed us to make money for the owner while using the techniques learned in this course.
The cost of buying the house was about $1.7 million. The owner then put $250,000 into renovation to increase the value of the house. This added value is an estimate which is based on the market value of renovated houses with similar specifications in the neighborhood. Renting price of the house is almost $5,300 per month and was found through real estate websites. The construction and reconstruction of the house values were estimated by the owner and is just under $1 million. This increased the resale value.
After looking into the renting options, we found that renting the downstairs and upstairs portions of the house separately as opposed to renting the house as one unit does not change the return. From now on, we will only consider one form of renting the house. We also found some of the annual costs such as property tax, mortgage payment, utilities, and insurance costs. These values can be used for a cash flow diagram and for an economic analysis.
Finally, as a future step, in order to achieve this economic analysis, the first step is to find a suitable minimum attractive rate of return value. It could be found online or historical data could be used. Then we'll be able to calculate the possible return of the alternatives with the method which we have learned in this course, like the benefit to cost ratio, internal rate of return, or net present worth. Once we calculate them, we'll be able to compare all these alternatives.